Hello and welcome back to Pracky Reviews. So I hope you're enjoying my videos, and today we have it's a new brand today and it's a new product. To know what it is, keep watching the video. Hello there and welcome back to Pracky Reviews. So today we have a new brand with us, and I'm very excited to review this new brand and new products with you here. So let's dive straight in and get this review started. So like I said, today we have with us this brand called The Herb Garden. So The Herb Garden is a brand of natural products based out of Bangalore. It is called The Herb Garden by Anu, and this really amazing person Anu formulates all those products, and it is a homegrown brand, and it started with making products which really care for skin and hair and all of that, but right now they have formulated some really good products for skincare and hair care. And this lady Anu has a very deep understanding of skin types, so if you're lucky, you also get slightly customized products, if that is. And so all of their products are really amazing. Today we have with us this milk, honey and oatmeal skin polish. I will get to the product as is later, but just let's start with the basic packaging. So these come in this nice clean box. I think this is a fiber box with a screw top lid, so it is a very secure box, so the product doesn't really, there is no fallout. And if you can see, there is this screw lid, and they have additionally given another lid so as to help with the help the product stay in its place. So this is the lid, and then you have the product, and they have a very nice branding sticker on it, which is quite informative. They have all of their information on the sticker, and I really like their logo, the Herb Garden. It makes you feel as if it is there is this like a magical garden filled with herbs which are good for your beauty and skin and hair, and you're just like kind of taking a walk out there. So I have a very good feeling about this brand name and the label. I'm always on the lookout for products which work, but they also have a lot of natural elements in it, instead of a lot of chemicals and laboratory made stuff. So with the natural products, I think these guys do a great job. So because theirs is 100% natural products. I mean, they even say that they're freshly homemade. Just the thought of it makes you feel good about it. Like, so your product has come freshly homemade. Somebody's taken that effort to kind of make it fresh every time you order. So I think that is wonderful. And so they have 100% natural ingredients in them. They do not use any artificial fragrance. This is a very, very important thing, because most of the slash organic or natural products tend to use artificial fragrances to enhance the product, but these guys use only natural essential oils for the fragrance. I think that is brilliant thing to do. And there are no artificial preservatives, or there are no artificial colors added to the product. So what you see is what you get. If they say oatmeal, they will have oatmeal in it. So I think if they say sugar, you will see sugar. So I think that is amazing. They are, like I said, they're cruelty free. They do not test on animals in any way. And no wonder then that these guys have won the South India Business Awards 2020. These guys had been nominated, and I think they won this South India Business Award. So this brand is an award-winning brand. So I really am lucky to have my hands on this one. And so let's get started with the product review. The Herb Garden Milk Honey and Oatmeal Skin Polish. That is the name of the product. So it is a skin polish which has got milk honey and oatmeal and a lot of other things, amazing things in it. So you know those days when your skin feels dull and dry and flaky and you kind of miss that just out of the salon, you know, after a nice body polishing and a skin polishing session, you feel like you have like new layer of skin to flaunt, and you know your skin feels soft and clean and clear. Well, this is a product which is going to be doing just that, because this is a skin polish at home. And I mean, in this period of lockdown where you cannot go out to salons, this is an amazing solution because you get the same benefit of a skin polish with the natural homemade ingredients and formulated just right for your skin. So I mean, I loved this product. I used this product for a week and it was amazing. It gave me amazing results. I'm going to show you later how I felt about the product, because I'm going to be using it as well for the review. But when I used it for a week, mind you, I just felt like, you know, I had new skin all over, and my skin was nice and bright and clean, and you know, if there were any marks, they faded away. They were slowly fading away. It has I'll tell you the list of ingredients that are there in this. It's got raw shea butter, it's got coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, almond oil, then it's got milk, it's got oatmeal powder and kaolin clay. And for the fragrance, like I mentioned, that they do not use any artificial fragrance. They have used lavender and germanium oils and sugar. So it has a very pleasant fragrance of lavender and germanium. This is how it is. So the lid, and it has got another lid, and oh my god, the fragrance is to die for, like, honestly. And it's got this coarse texture. I'll just take some in my hand. Yeah, so can you see it? So it has sugar, it has oatmeal, it has milk, it has coconut oil, olive oil, butter. So it's basically for somebody who has dry skin or even combination skin. Like I have a very dry patch over here leaving my T-zone. Everything else is extremely dry. And even if I have combination skin, this one worked wonders for me. So now I'm just going to be showing you how I actually use this this product, and let's get started. Let's see how to use this product. So as you can see that after I use the product, skin looked really nice, bright, soft. It just, you know, it just looked more even. Like there was this wonderful glow. It was almost like there is a new skin on my face, and it really did the work of body polishing. I just want to reiterate how it worked, because you know, I think that it's got so it's because the oatmeal it's effective in treating sunburn, so it kind of even tones, and you know, it corrects any pigmentation that has happened due to, or tanning that has happened due to sunburns. It has got milk which is rich in AHAs, which is the alpha hydroxy acids, which is good for your skin. It is a mild exfoliator in itself, and you know, so there are a lot of antioxidants in this one, which kind of give you that glow. So it's got coconut oil, virgin olive oil, which kind of maintains the basic essential oils, or the moisturization for your skin. And that's how you land up like you've just had an amazing salon facial session. And it was the same for me. I used it for a week and I could visibly see the difference. Like my skin really felt like I have sensitive skin, and my skin felt really good. It's just one reminder, because because it is a oatmeal based scrub, so you have to take care of exfoliating. Like I said, my skin is sensitive, so don't put too much pressure while you're using this product, because it is a very potent product. So I got slight redness because I put a lot of pressure, but the next time I got it right, I kind of lightly massaged it onto my skin, and it was brilliant. It worked amazing, and honestly, like, I felt like I was glowing, and my skin really was. And so this is about this product. You can also use it on your, like, you know, on your elbow or your feet, wherever you think you kind of need a bit of exfoliation. You could use this. Or sometimes you get this like a darkish patch around your neck, so you know, from wearing jewelry or whatever, you can use it in these places as a exfoliant and a scrub, and it is amazing. So I totally would love, and I would use this product so much more. And there's one thing that I would like to mention here, is that just keep this safe. But when I say safe, that's because when I use this product in a bowl and in my bathroom, the next day I saw ants around this bowl. That just means that this product is so natural. They do claim to have everything that they say. So they have sugar, they have milk, so you know, so this is the authenticity of the naturalness of the product, that even the ants couldn't resist it. So I think it is great to have such natural products instead of the mass you know, chemical laden. That's about it for the Herb Garden by Anu, the oatmeal and milk honey skin polish from Pracky Reviews. So I hope you like this review, and do let me know what you feel about natural products or exfoliators or just about anything. I would love to know your views. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.